I'm Sham.
I'm Vijay.
Together we're going to challenge ourselves to make some new exciting dishes. And in the meantime, we're going to have a great conversations.
Wow, Sham, any conversation is incomplete without a coffee. How about a coffee then?
I can guess what you need. That's your coffee, chef.
Thank you, Sham. Brilliant.
So
क्या बनाने जा रहे हैं? What is that we are going to cook today?
I got some fresh bangan,
Aubergine. Okay, aubergines. Good.
Yeah. And king of vegetables. So let's start with the king.
क्या करने जा रहे हैं? What is that you are going to cook out of that?
I'm going to make a salsa, slightly inspired from Mediterranean and Spanish and Mexican and kind of stuff. And I'm going to come up with a great dish. How about you?
यार इतने अच्छे बैंगन देख के मुझे एक इटालियन रेसिपी याद आ गया. So I would like to go with a good Italian dish. It's breaded eggplants, and then we will have some cheese and some tomato concasse on it.
Wow. So let's start. Chef,
बोल शाम.
ये लो बैंगन. चलो काटना चालू करो.
लेकिन कौन पहले डिश बनाएगा? You want to do the first? You want to start first or should I start first?
Let's put a toss.
चलो टॉस करते हैं. कैसे टॉस
बैंगन
करेंगे?
किसकी तरफ आएगा उसको करना पड़ेगा पहले.
अच्छा, ब्रिलियंट.
Ready?
तो मैं कहाँ खड़ा रहूँ? यहाँ खड़ा रहूँ.
या उधर आपका ये
घुमाओ. मेरी तरफ आ गया तो मुझे पहले करना पड़ेगा. ब्रिलियंट. इसी बैंगन से चलो हम शुरू करते हैं. Eggplant parmigiana. We will make an eggplant parmigiana. For that we need eggplant. We will first do the pre-preparation. For that we need tomato concasse. To make tomato concasse, we need some tomatoes. We will remove their eye and then we'll blanch it. Once we peel the tomato skin, then we will chop it and make the sauce. For that we need onions as well as garlic, and also we will slice the eggplant and keep it aside. We will also make the sauce with the tomatoes. So this should be the size of the eggplant. We'll make around 4 to 5 roundels out of this. Yeah, here we have some 4 lovely roundels. We will soak it in the water meanwhile. And then to make the sauce, we will take these tomatoes. We will remove the eye. And then we will have we'll put a cross so that it will be easy for us to remove the skin. So like that we will do with all the tomatoes so that we have some good sauce out of this. And in that sauce we will have the garlic as well as onions. Sham, ये पानी में थोड़ा सा salt डाल दो.
Yes.
Yeah. So now our eggplants are in salted water. And वहाँ थोड़ा सा पानी बिठा दो. We will blanch the tomatoes. So you can place a saucepan with water. And then we will go for blanching the tomatoes. Going to blanch the tomatoes now. Skin is peeling off now. So it's time we remove it and put it in cold water. Skin is ready to come off. So we peel the tomatoes. All these 4 tomatoes are peeled now. We'll cut them into half and we have to de-seed it. We have to remove the seeds. Okay. So this is how we'll cut into 4 and we will remove the seeds. So I'll show you a very easy method of removing the seeds. It's just by way to pull the seeds out and then keep them aside, and then we start chopping them. The tomatoes are peeled, de-seeded. Now we will chop them. To make a good sauce, we have to roughly chop these tomatoes and we will make a lovely sauce. We have our onions already chopped and kept there, and also the garlic. So fresh basil will be added in the last. So now the pan is hot. We will add some olive oil and then we will make the sauce. So इसमें सबसे पहले we will add lovely garlic into it. And as the garlic gets little cracking, we will add the onions. Now we will add the onions. Now the onions are transparent, we will add the blanched and chopped tomatoes in it. Lovely. Tomatoes have become very soft. We will add some salt into it, and then we will add some crushed black pepper. And then we'll also have my favorite fresh basil herbs. That gives us a very good flavor. Very nice aroma. And with that, I think our sauce has come to an end. Sham,
Yeah.
now these aubergines need to be breaded.
Okay.
Okay, so we already have the roundels of aubergines which are kept in salted water. So we straight away take them and then we blot it. So that we remove the excess water from it and we keep it between the kitchen towel and then we blot it. This is how we absorb the excess water.
Okay.
Okay, and then we will do a complete breading of it. So the first and foremost, we need to dip it in the flour. Probably you can help me do the breading.
Sure.
Okay. So in this flour, we have salt. That's it, nothing else. Okay. And this is the, because it's a vegetarian dish, we have used maida with water.
Okay.
So we made a paste of it. So this is how we have a coating of the maida batter into it, and then we place it in the breadcrumbs. So that process gets repeated for the rest of the roundels. Now we have to shallow fry it. So let's take a pan, add some oil into it, and then we will add our breaded eggplants into that one by one. Here we place the lid so that the eggplant can get cooked and become soft inside.
Looks very yummy, chef.
Brilliant. Now the eggplants look really cooked, nice and golden brown. So let's check it. Wow, completely cooked all through. Very good and crispy. Okay. So now we will finish it with the concasse that we had made it. And that here comes our tomato concasse with lovely basil and garlic, fresh aroma out of it with some lovely olive oil into it, and then we'll finish it with some cheese on it. So we have some lovely Parmesan cheese on it, grate it on it. And to allow the cheese to melt, we'll put the lid back onto it. So let's see, yes, our cheese is melted and our aubergines with the tomato sauce is ready. Okay, Sham, it's ready. Can you help me put some sauce underneath?
Sure.
So here we are ready for the presentation. We'll put some sauce underneath and then we will arrange our eggplants on it. Okay, so that goes the first one, lovely, nice, crunchy, and then here is the third one. Okay, so do you want to garnish it, Sham?
Yeah.
We have lovely basil here to garnish. Okay, yes. And then if anybody needs some additional cheese, We can also even grate some cheese on it. With that, our eggplant parmigiana is ready.
Vijay, your eggplant parmigiana is looking fabulous. I'm sure it is going to taste excellent, but I'm going to give you a good fight. I'm going to cook eggplant salsa with achari toast, but for that you'll have to wait till next episode. And don't forget to like and comment on our video. And above all, please subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching.